Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable camera access for apps and services on your Google Pixel smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. And then you want to go underneath where it says security and privacy and select that. And then scroll down again underneath privacy, and you want to select privacy controls. And then underneath controls, there are camera access and microphone access settings in here. If you want to enable it, have it toggle to the right. If you want to disable it, click inside the oval one time and turn it to the left, and it would be grayed out. Just clicking inside the oval one time will toggle between those two settings. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.